So we've just arrived in KL, checked into our hotel, and come out for some dinner. Oh, thank you. There's our view. Somewhere in KL. I'm told a very famous restaurant. It's all very quiet. It's all very crazy. The Sheraton Hotel.
I think tomorrow morning will be more 9 to 6 to 7. But Sunday morning I think
But I think I like to see no car tomorrow. We should come out.
Yeah.
Huh?
Just a relaxing day by the pool today. With a view of KL, Twin Towers just over there. Well, we're going to relax here till lunch time. It's too hot.
Yes, one. You guys want?
Here we are at the Twin Towers. It's got a taxi, well, a grab for 70p, well, it's only a mile. Probably going to get asked now by some locals if they want us to take, we want them to take our photo, because just watch out for that. They ask if they ask if you want them to take the photo, and then they charge you. This. So they basically have the gear, the iPhone, and then they offer photo. I've lost my wife. Where's she gone? Take your scooter. Oh, there she is. There you go. World famous Petronas Towers. All that equipment. Imagine living up here with your morning view. What a beautiful day. Agora. Ah, yeah. Tá aqui. Que foto. Oh, missed a step. one of my favourite flags. The second favourite flag. The Malaysian flag. So you can go through and into the garden, as I remember from last time. Should we go this way? Oh, I saw the curve. I saw the curve.
Oh, you saw it?
I saw the curve. I thought it was some poo or something. Very clean here, though. Security. Nice. The view from the Petronas Towers. Yeah. We got a racing car, the Petronas Mercedes. Replica. Show car. Ooh. Yeah, we've been here once before, about 12 years ago, but we went straight up the tower. We flagged it really, you've got to buy tickets in advance, by the way. But we actually were on our last day last time, so kind of did the simple view walked. Shops you won't be shopping in. Oh yeah, I think this has actually changed from last time we were here. I remember it being a full-on shopping centre last time. Huh? There we go. Happy Deep Havali. Really didn't come inside last time, I don't remember any of it. You know, Ralph Lauren, Calvin Klein, Abbey Armours, Prada, Christian Dior. Ooh, lots of celebration. And this is Petronas Tower. We go to the bookstore on the 4th floor. And this. My wife and travel partners. Look. Wow. Just leave it there. Thank you very much. Oh, amazing. This shop's amazing. Oh, that's quite amazing. So much food. You want something you just take away, eat on the go.
Really not, isn't it?
Right?
Like a pastry.
Yeah.
This one is good.
Can't really take it away, can you? That's sand. And then you come out the back of the Petronas Towers. On the ground floor. There's a view. This has changed dramatically since we were last here. Well, that was a long time ago, to be honest. Got trees. Yeah, they got Marks and Spencer's now. Nice. Well worth a visit. We can have some food now. Yeah. We've got some balls.
One bun.
Sesame balls. Very nice. There's a nice breeze as well, which is most welcome. Okay, just one more. Behind me is like a kids pool. You can swim in about 1 foot deep, and then yeah, so all that noise is children having fun. And then we're going to move on now. I'm sure you've seen enough of the Petronas Towers, even though very beautiful they are. So we're going to walk back. Must have counted about 25 people trying to take your photo. There's a little business going there if you sold the franchise. Traffic's a bit of a problem. 14 minutes walk. There's the Malaysian Tourism Centre. Well, it's a good job we're young athletic people, isn't it? Huh? Do you know what? I've only seen a small part of this city, but I do like it. We're going the scenic route. We had our dinner the other night. It's really good.
got the tractor thing.
Yeah. So where we are? Yeah.
Because I said they're strange.
That's our hotel there. What's a popular food place, babe?
Not by
Yeah? Oh yeah.
Check out already.
Back to the hotel. That one. But it's really nice. The stripes, quiet, and good breakfast. So again, not plugging it, just staying in it. It's fairly convenient. It's right in the centre of things that are happening. Mandarin Hotel for a walk at night through KL.
Look behind you.
Oh wow. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think I remember coming here. This is the way we arrived when we came from the okay. This is where we arrived when we came from the airport. We just crossed the road. It takes about 10 minutes to get across the road and we've come the wrong way. This is the Pavilion Tower. Oh, now we're the populated area. I'm just going to film the Nissan Skyline. Nice. humanitarian. Popular, Damascus. Sit down around here. Is somebody coming? We're over it now. So basically there's a bridge that you can follow all the way from the pavilion to KLCC. About 20-minute walk. And you just keep following the bridge. Although I think we're now going back on ourselves. So, this is the way we came in. This is Kuala Lumpur railway station. I'm not sure I can just get across the road to take a better picture, video of this. It's definitely very old. KTM, that's part of the train station. I'm just going to explore a little bit this apparently very beautiful railway station. So we've got quite a while to get the train. Interesting. Okay, it turns out I could go underground to get on the other side. See the other side. There we go. Old train station. Right.
Want to go over the building to take video out with using
Yeah, so we've just arrived at the train station, nice and early, about an hour and a half too early, and that's our train. Platform 1 to Butterworth. Very old inside. No way to. Huh? but 1810 built. Quite old. Our train arrives at 11:45. We had to check in, walk through the door over there at 11:20. It's the second stop, so I think we're going to have to be quick getting on this train because it's the second stop, and then it stops at Butterworth, which is 3.5 hours away. And yeah, if you are doing this trip, make sure you book your ticket at Kuala Lumpur station. There's two. The newer station, that's where you get on first. And if you get a business class ticket, which are not much more expensive than economy, you can have a business suite, which we didn't have. We had a waiting room. So lessons learned for anybody else: book in the station. Don't use the actual website, because you can get business class on that. I just spoke to two lovely ladies who haven't. They booked on one of the other websites and standard class. Here we go. Yeah, we're on the end. So if you get a train from Kuala Lumpur or Penang or Butterworth, get business class. We also pre-booked our meal and paid for it. So we got two hot meals. It's like we've got dinner.
For Malaysia.
Oh man, this is... Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, that was a pleasant experience. We had a lovely journey. Now we're in Butterworth. Going to lovely Penang. Look, so this is standard seats. The UK train. Basically. Enjoyed that. First time, got off a journey, I've gone, I just enjoyed my 3.5 hours, wherever it was. Quite looking forward to the trip back up now. Sometimes when you travel, you think, oh, I've got to go back that same route, but this is nice. So it's easy. You literally come out of the train station. Obviously, it depends on age and strength, but you just go up a slope with this and you push your trolley and then you head towards the ferry. And the ferries have changed here now because they've gone to new versions for passengers and bikes, which can apparently shoot across in under 10 minutes. So I'm not expecting to wait too long for a ferry. There's the Penang bridge all the way over there, and that's the route you would take if you got Grab all the way into the city, and then you'll encounter a lot of traffic. And this is the easiest way, honestly. I don't really Grab taxis out of the job, but and as usual, it looks like both queues just go into one. Oh, nice breeze. Nice and easy. And this is nice and quick, isn't it? Penang, here we come. The old ferry, past the rest. Iconic. Maybe they'll get some engine in them and set them off one day. It's a bit wet. We like Penang. Hi. Well, the rain's stopping. Perfect timing. I'm going to taxi over here or a bus. We're opting for the Grab again. How much is the Grab? 10 ringgit? 8 ringgit. Which is about £1.30 to get us to the other side. There's that race across the world here. Most of the people are waiting for the Grabs. With what generally Grabs look like. Any of these vehicles. You do get the registration plate in the colour. Even that's a Grab. That's taxi. Ours is white. time we came here, it was a winter paradise, wasn't it?
Like tennis, isn't it?
Yeah. Paddleboard, wasn't it? Paddle. Pretty cool. It's quite popular now. Yeah. Here previously in an Airbnb. The Sunrise Gurney. Oh, it's been nice. A little walk over there. Yeah. So we're walking back to our hotel that we booked on booking.com, and unfortunately it's not the Marriott, which is next door and just been built. It's the one next door to the Marriott. When we checked in, it wasn't exactly what was in the magazine, so we're going to try and
Very disappointed.
well, very disappointed.
It doesn't look like the picture.
No, it's not like a picture. It's a bit depressing, and yeah, probably cut this bit out of the YouTube, but we'll see how it goes, because we've booked into another hotel, the G Hotel, because we're here for 4 nights and we want to enjoy it. This hotel here is got a lovely entrance, but it's quite depressing, the whole thing. It's got,
Just look on the outside.
yeah, it looks really, yeah, well, the outside top of us, yeah, but it's got a gym as well, with carpet. Nobody has a gym with carpet. Jesus, the sweat. So we're going to go and collect our suitcases, hopefully get a bit of a refund. We're not holding out for that, and then move on. Look at that, even the restaurant now. That's the restaurant.
Downstairs look nice.
Yeah,
Outside look nice.
but the rooms.
But the room is
Yeah,
time
enough
to
said.
change carpet.
Yeah. You start with the carpet and make your way up. Okay. It's really nice downstairs. This is the Gurney G pool area. We're in Georgetown now, popping in to do some non-holiday related stuff, and we're here. This was the first high-rise building in Penang. Come inside to do a bit of exploring. Obviously this was apparently the most popular place to be. Obviously when it was open. It's very wacky. I'm trying to see if I can find a football top. Really random. The top. So I'm on the top floor. And we'll have a look to see What is going on in this place? Oh, look. Wow, man. This is bonkers. Yeah, this place is nuts. Oh, there you go. Whoa. Been to the new top. Oh look. Dinosaurs. I've been to the new top for a beer last night. I don't need to be paying for it.
Size 37AA.
Yeah, it's an 84 ringgit for 5 attractions in Penang. 88 ringgit. Rainbow walk, the blue sky, got the top and sea centre. Go down to level 1. See how funky it is down there. I'll show you. Entrance. Yeah, I'll show about that. So you can get anything you want from the supermarket. Suitcases are last. One trip maximum. Level 2. Oh, this is where the immigration is. No, so this is level 2. I don't think we're going to be finding any shops. I think the shops have decided business is not very good. Public transport. Big bus station.
I have pictures on this stairs. For you. Get all the tickets.
It's more impressive from the outside. Look at all the closed. Have you been to this one before? The old shops. The old what pharmacy? No, we're pretty healthy currently. Hi. Oh, maybe here. Oh.
Maybe we can walk back.
This is bonkers. It's kind of Dutch. Trains.
If you have business here, it's always high.
And that's just survived daily.
Business.
Yeah. Some niche shops there. But you must just survive. There it's quite a strong smell that. It smells. God, it's got like a. I don't want to say it. Like a bad. That's like a. Yeah, like a toiletry smell. Oh, look at all these shoes. Right. Oh, there's some more shops right here.
It's coffee.
Take the back of the shop. Okay, you're right. So this is the sister hotel to the G hotel that we're staying in. So you can use this pool as well as the pool in the hotel that we're in. And because we've got the executive suite, we get to have a choice of this hotel or the other hotel between 6 and 8, 3 drinks and canopies and sweets, so you can have anything you want basically. I've gone for a gin and tonic, and probably have whiskey, and I've had a beer. but yeah, very much great. What a nice hotel. There you go. Sorry, just manoeuvring myself around those seats. Oh, look at that, stunning. Love Penang. I'll show you again a bit more over here. Yeah, paddleboard one side, you walk by the next side. Look at them all. This is from the sister hotel, the other G hotel.